First of all, measure the length of the right and left sides of the frame and mark the middle point. Next, measure the width of the frame and mark the middle point approximately 4 centimeters above and 4 centimeters below the first mark that you made. Now take the track in your hand and using a track and slide montage tool, position the adjustability screw into the track so that the mounting hole is unobstructed. Place the track onto the marked position and pierce holes into the frame through the mounting holes. Now, fasten the track onto the frame using screws appropriate for the thickness of the frame. The screws can be fastened using the track and slide bit holder and a suitable bit, as I am doing here, or with a screwdriver. Make sure the screws are securely in place and tighten. Repeat the entire procedure on the other side of the frame. Once the tracks are mounted to both sides of the frame, screw the adjustability screws in a heightened position. This will make it easier to adjust the height of the painting when it is on the wall. Place the security screws into the side of the track, just enough so that the slide screw still fits easily into the track. Now you're ready to hang the painting onto the wall by sliding the tracks into the slide screws, which have already been mounted to the wall. You can use a spirit level to see if the painting hangs evenly. If adjustments need to be made, use the corresponding bit to place the adjustability screw and thus the painting into the correct position. Once the painting hangs evenly, place the security screws into place on both sides. Now your painting is secure on the wall. Perfect!